Have you ever seen numbers in Excel that look a little too messy? Long decimals in prices, marks, or percentages that makes your data look unprofessional. Today I'll show you one simple function that fixes all of that, the round function. In just a few minutes, you will learn how to clean up your numbers and make your Excel sheet look perfect.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that I have the list of different products with their original prices, and you can see that the price numbers are different from one another because they carry different decimal numbers. The original price numbers are very random. These numbers contain different decimal numbers that we want to round off to a particular place. To make them clean, here in this cell, I'll write equal round, and then in this round function, first I need to select the number that I want to work with. So I'm going to select this number. After this, I need to select the digits that up to what decimal I want to make it correct. So for example, if I want to convert this decimal number to the whole number, I will write 0, close the parentheses and hit enter. If I would like to round it off to the one decimal place, I will change this 0 with 1 and then hit enter, so it will correct it up to one decimal. And if I want to round it off to the two decimal place, I will write 2 over here and then press enter. So this is up to me that at what decimal place I want to round it off. To apply this to all the numbers, I'm just going to drag it down. If I want to round it off to the whole number, I'll change it to the 0 and press enter and then apply this to the all. After doing this, if I also want to ignore these zeros after decimal, I can go to these decrease decimal button in the number under the home tab. It will remove the zeros after the decimal, and if I again press it, it will totally remove the zeros or the numbers after the decimal. Now in the second example, you can see that I have the marks of the student and I want to round them off. For this purpose, as I have told you that we have to write equal round and then select the number. After that, we will select that up to what decimal. So I am considering 0, close the parentheses and hit enter. So in this way, I have rounded them off to the whole number. Here I would also like to introduce two additional functions with this, that are the round up and the round down. So let me first apply them and then we will see the difference. So I will write equal round up, open parentheses, select the number, comma, I'll write 0, close the parentheses and hit enter. To apply it all, I'm going to drag it down, or I can go to the bottom right corner and double click. And for the round down, again I will write equal round down, open parentheses, select the number, comma, and then I'll write 0, close parentheses and hit enter. To apply it to all, I'm going to drag it down. Now just look at the number that was 84.6, that was round off to the whole number as 85 as per the rule, because after the decimal, if the number is 5 or more, then it will round off to the next whole number. And similar rule is used up for the round up. The only difference is that the round up function will always round to the next decimal. It will not consider the value of the number after the decimal. If anything is present after the decimal, it will always round it up. Like you can see, in case of 72.3, the round up function has rounded off to the 73. And similarly, in the round down function, if anything is present after the decimal, it will always round it down. Like for 84.6, it has rounded off to 84. For 72.3, it has rounded off to the 72. So it depends that what type of data we are working. Either we need the round function, or we need the round up function, or the round down function. On the basis of what data we have, we will use these functions. And that's how easy it is to control your numbers in Excel using the round function. If this tip helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical Excel tutorials. Tell me in the comments, where do you use rounding the most? Prices, marks, or reports? See you in the next video.